Today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your private Google search history and completely clean up your My Activity page. This works on every device and keep your browsing fully private. Open up Google Chrome, search www.google.com and you'll get this page. Scroll down, select the settings and select search history. Here you can able to see all the search history you have done before. And as you can see, searched GTA 6 right now, visited Google search. Everything will be listed guys under. To clear all these, select delete option drop down and select delete all option. Make sure everything is checked and select next option. Select preview more. It's gonna be like huge amount of search history is going to delete. Select delete option. So I got it. And as you can see, no activities appear over here. And now you good to go guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.